Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's having me on a budget here, and I have a Cricut Joy to show you today. This is my haul for today. I really wanted one of these, so I decided to get it. It came all safely packaged up, but I took off all the packaging to save time, and I opened it. It's come in this lovely sturdy box. There. And it did come with the wires. I did unwrap everything, you know, as I said, to save time. So that's the plug for the power. And I think this one's a European one, so I don't need that. I have this as well that says open me, and it's got let's get started. So that's the little manual. It's come with a sample, a sticker sheet, small one, and a card sample as well. This is the warranty, and it also came with a mat. Now it came with this pen as well. I had taken them out, and it also came with its blade. I put it in because I just couldn't wait. I was so excited. I haven't used it, mind you, so I've got to register with what's it called? I've got to register it with Create. Yeah, register and set up on Create, and I will be doing that. I mean, there is a humongous amount of videos out there with the unboxing of the Cricut Joy and the setup and everything. I won't go through all that because obviously I've never had one before, so you know, I'm learning. I'm going to have to learn to do it, and it wouldn't be any point me showing you because I'm just going to be rubbish at it. But there is a lot of videos out there that have tutorials on it. I will be having a look at some of them as well to help myself out. But I'm really happy with my Cricut Joy. I really am, and it's just so small and chunky. It does weigh a bit though. It's quite weighty, so I decided to get the bag for it. That'll fit in nicely if I want to take it anyway, and it's nice and padded, so it'll be very safe. It is a really nice bag. It's got the compartments in it. You put it in there, your Joy in there, and the cables probably go in there. A pen can go in there, and the blade and some little bits and pieces, and then it's got a side pocket on the outside. So I'm really happy with my bag. And I also got some additions. I got this mat as well, just in case I might need it, but you can do a lot of projects without the mats for it. And it came with this because it was like a little bundle, so it was the Cricut Joy machine and this as well. It's got the starter tool set. I also got some of these as well because I just wanted to have some. So this is the transfer tape, this one, and this one is, this one is the normal transfer tape, and I got this one as well, which is I think it's the extra strong one. A minute. Ah, here it is. So I've got two transfer tapes, and this is a strong grip transfer tape as well. So I just thought I might as well get them. And I've got 2 black smart vinyl permanent. So I will definitely be experimenting with them. Can't wait. I just can't wait. So that's it. So I just thought I'd pop on to come and show you my new Cricut Joy. So excited to use it. And I think I will set it up this evening, because I want to experiment with it, get all my mistakes and my mess ups out of the way so I can get some projects done properly. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye-bye. Bye.